Hi everybody, this is Peter at Appotronics. I'm the sales director for North America for Appotronics. Now in this show at the InfoComm, we're demoing our 25,000 lumen single chip DLP machine. So this is the first time that we be able to crank up the brightness of a single chip DLP to 25,000 lumen. Still comes with the Appotronics unique featuring ALPD technology and the RGBX triple laser light engine. So the system that we're trying to showcase here is we edge blend two 25,000 lumen projector combined with our ultra short throw 0.63 lens that is also designed and manufactured by Appotronics in-house. So the system that we're putting up here is trying to show people, like, now you have a projector that is very bright, is one chip DLP, which means is still very price friendly. And also it delivers excellent colors up to like Red 2020 and 4K. So for a large format like that, maybe sometimes you don't need to necessarily use an LED, but you can maybe look at the projection solutions that's out there right now. For more information, you can visit our website at appotronicsglobal.com. Thank you.